Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. Today we will learn another letter from our English book. So take out your English book, Zigzag Zoom my ABC. Okay. So in our previous class we have finished learning letter I. Okay. This is the letter I and we have already finished learning this letter. Okay. So now tell me, which letter comes after the letter I? Let me tell you. After I comes the letter J. Okay. After I comes the letter J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So, today we will learn about the letter J and how to write the letter J. Okay. So, this is the capital letter J and this is the small letter J. This is the capital letter J and this is the small letter J. Okay. And here you can see, what is this? This is a jackal. And what is this? This is a jeep. So, jackal and jeep are starting with the letter J. So, we can say J for jackal, J for jeep. J for jackal, J for jeep. Okay, it is very interesting. And J will sound like J. J will sound like J. Jackal, jeep. Okay. And now, come to the book. Here we will learn about the letter J and some more words starting with the letter J. Okay, so this is the capital letter J and this is the small letter J. And here also we have a rhyme. We will learn this rhyme. Okay, so let's start. You can read with me. Okay. Put jelly and jam in the jar. Keep them near, not too far. Put jelly and jam in the jar. Keep them near, not too far. Okay. It's a very interesting rhyme and you have to learn this rhyme. Okay. And now look at the pictures. What you can see? What is this? This is jelly and we all love to eat jelly. Okay. And what is this? Jam. This is jam. We also love this jam. Okay. We all love this. And this jam is in this jar. Okay. So this is a jar and in this jar this jam is here. Okay. In this jar. Okay. And this is jelly. So jar, jam and jelly. These are the these words are starting with the letter J. This J is in red color. You can see now. So we can say J for jar, J for jam and J for jelly. Okay. So we have learned 3 more names. Okay. J for jar, J for jam, J for jelly. Okay. And you have to learn these words starting with the letter J. Okay. And now come to the next page. Here, read aloud along with your teacher. At first, identify the pictures. What is this? This is a jar. We have already learned. Okay. And what is this? This is a jug. And what is this? We have already learned. This is a jackal. And what is this? This is juice. Okay, this is a juice. So these are also these words are starting with the letter J. Okay, so we can say J for jar, J for jug, J for jackal and J for juice. So we have learned so many names that are pictures name that are starting with the letter J, and we have already learned that J will sound like J. J will sound like J. Okay. So we have learned J for jar, J for jam, J for jelly. Here also J for jar, J for jug, J for jackal, J for juice. We have learned so many pictures name that are starting with the letter J. Okay. And now come to the next page. Here is an activity. Here is an activity. And what we will do in this page? Tick the pictures whose names start with letter J. Tick the pictures whose names start with the letter J. Okay. In this circle, you have to put a tick mark. Okay, that is starting with the letter J. At first, what is this? This is a well. Well means kuo. Okay. And what is this? Jeep. What is this? This is a rose or flower. And what is this? This is a jacket. What is this? This is an ox. What is this? This is a joker. So now tell me, which pictures names are starting with the letter J? At first, this Jeep. Jeep is starting with the letter J. So you have to put a tick mark on this circle. Okay, like this. You can use your color crayons also. Okay. Now, this jacket. We can say J for jacket. J, jacket. So you have to put a tick mark here also. And this is a joker, and joker is starting with the letter J. So you have to put a tick mark on this circle also. Okay, so we have found J for jeep, J for jacket, and J for joker. Okay, so these are the things that are starting with the name that are starting with the letter J, and we have already ticked it. Okay. In this way, you have to complete it. Okay. Write HW on this page. This is your homework. Okay. So, you have to complete it. And now, we will learn how to write the letter J. Okay. Now, let's start writing the letter J. Okay. At first, go to the top or the red line. Then, draw a standing line from first line to third line. Okay, like this. Draw a standing line. Okay, with a small backward curve. Okay, with a small backward curve like this. Okay, then go back to the top again and draw a sleeping line across. Okay, draw a sleeping line across. What it becomes now? It becomes the letter J, and writing J is also very easy. Now let's practice it again. Draw a standing line from first line to third line with a small backward curve. With a small backward curve like this. Okay, then go back to the top again and draw a sleeping line across. Okay, like this. What it becomes now? Again, it becomes the letter J. And writing J is very easy. Let's write it again. Draw a standing line with a small curve. Okay, and then draw a sleeping line. Okay, like this. So, writing letter J is very easy and you have to complete it. And also, practice all the letters. Okay. With maintaining line. So, children, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay at home and practice all the letters. Okay. And study carefully. So, bye-bye.